welcome to this simulation. Today I did a model of 3 points bending over the high strength concrete beam reinforced with steel bar inside it, and you can see here this is the deformation with magnitude, and this is a tensile damage happened, and these are the tensile crack which created during the bending process. If I click and animate, you can see that. Let's me to check the stiffness degradation. This is the stiffness degradation for the beam. And let's me just hold the concrete beam and the plastic strain for that. Displacement you can see. And let's me to replace all and remove the concrete part, and you can see now the steel bar inside the concrete. Or it's just for that. So if you need this tutorial and modeling the high strength concrete, you can come to our website www.abaqusfm.com. Find the English tutorials or search just one or two words of this title in the search location here, and then click on a blue sign or on the title. So we will have the explanation about the process and simulation, material interaction and steps, and then at last the results. You can see the results here. There are 3 important points here. The file contains a CAINP in English video file step by step, and the cost is $32. If you have Bitcoins, you can pay it with that. If you can have Bitcoins, you can pay it with PayPal. This is a better way to use PayPal. If you have PayPal account, send me an email to this address, and then I will tell you about the purchasing process. Thank you for your attention.